Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. Today I am here with a new topic and the new video is plants that grow in shade and shady plants. In this video you can see a compilation of those plants that can grow in shade and easily you can grow them indoors in your living rooms and inside of your home. Whether you are planting under fast growing shade trees, in flower beds, hanging baskets and containers on a patio, a wide variety of plants love the shades and add color and interest into your outdoor and indoor spaces. In this video, you can see cute, unique, and beautiful flowers that enhance the beauty of your soul and your garden, refreshes your soul and refreshes your home. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment